Awesome Kids TV. Today we're gonna do what?
Christmas decorating.
Yay! So on the table we have so many Christmas decorating stuff. I have a glasses like this, reindeer.
And I have a hat.
Ooh, oh nice. And I also bought for this one.
And we have a snowman.
Oh, so cute, really. I also have this. We can stick
four.
on the window.
One, two,
this
three, four.
is a Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
We also have Santa Claus lights.
Oh, adorable. See the face like this. And they socks.
They're glowing.
Alright. Okay, let's challenge, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Go.
Take a look at this spider web. It's stretchy and it's gooey. Ooh, because we have a lot
Yeah.
to do. Only me?
Only
and
you.
Mom.
Yeah, because I gonna record you.
Yeah.
We still have a Christmas tree have to decorate it. So we must do it faster as we can.
We just need to take out this first.
Hurry up, Finn. Hurry up.
Trying. I love it. I'll break it.
Don't break it, Finn.
I will break it.
Don't break it because it's snowflake. Yeah, gently, okay? Gently. Gentle, be gentle.
Do you like it, Mommy?
Can you put it back to here? This part?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Like that?
Yeah, because you broke it. See my microphone?
Yeah. It tickles. Okay, I'll make it.
Now everyone know we are using cell phone to record it. Your cartoon, right? Yeah.
Now I cannot fix it anymore. Don't tickle me! Don't tickle me! Please don't tickle me! Yes! Another one. Mommy, it's so bouncy. It broke by itself.
Okay. Finn, go.
It's
Hurry
not
up.
me. It broke by itself.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna stick those stickers on the window.
Wow, so beautiful. Let's do.
Another one.
Oh, that's a snowflakes.
Yeah. That's a little hard. Now I'm gonna stick this one.
Ah, Christmas tree.
Yeah. The Christmas tree. Right here.
Okay.
Earlier, I and Mommy we just stick the rest of it. And yesterday we made those snowflakes.
Snowflakes. Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna do more decorating.
Wow, you have so many stickers.
Because my mom buy too much.
You can bring some to your school. Yeah. Decorate your classroom, right?
Yeah.
With your classmates.
Yeah. We need to make the school beautiful.
Okay.
My classroom
Uh-huh.
beautiful.
You're a creator, so you know how to do it.
And this Christmas tree on top.
Okay. And you move the chair. Come on.
Okay.
Come over.
Ooh, I like it.
You like it. Christmas bell.
Up there.
Okay. And we still have it. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. That's a lot of trash. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, go.
But earlier, I didn't do it.
Alright. Wow, so cute. This one. I like this one.
And
Snowman.
I get to do another one.
Another one, okay.
But we're gonna need another hole.
Alright.
Right, Mommy?
I think I have to help you because it's...
I don't know how to make a hole.
Yeah. Let me do it.
Now I'm gonna stick those on top. I'll stick the one on this and over here. This looks like an eye ring. And that's ooh, I love it. Yay!
Love it. Okay.
Of this,
Let me see.
we have
Wow.
snowflakes.
So many crystal. Oh, Christmas ball.
Yeah.
And we choose color is for this year.
And the
Gold and the
fairy.
silver. Oh, that's an angel. Really happy. And be careful that it's really easy to get broken at. Yeah, be careful. Oh, alright. Good job. And
We have golden Christmas tree.
on the Christmas tree. Yeah,
We have a lot of decoration now.
okay.
Oh, I love this.
Ta-da!
Another decoration. We have glitter in it and crystal. And those are tiny crystals and confetti.
Okay. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, this is your job. When you finish, just call me. Okay, I will be back. I do my job. Alright, bye!
Bye!
A few moments later.
Fing, are you done? You finish?
I'm done.
You done?
Wait, do you like my Christmas tree?
Oh yeah. You have a very good taste. Wow, voila, so beautiful. Awesome.
And those lights over here.
What? Mm.
Here.
Oh,
Here.
here.
And our decorations. And over here. Take a look at this.
Wow!
And take a look at that.
Go.
Ah,
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
everywhere.
Good.
Decorations.
And where are we gonna go?
And now.
Oh, that's two doors. The decoration is so great.
I can go in.
Just like a party. Yeah. Ah, let me see. Wow, so beautiful. Wow.
It's stuck on my body. It's stuck on my body. Get it off. I like to let you look.
Oh, the light. Whoa. And maybe like this. Oh, okay.
Do you like this?
It's like a disco.
We are finished with our cartoon. See you next time. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas!